In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in all Tableau products. Whether you're using Tableau Desktop, Tableau Cloud, or Tableau Prep Builder, having the right language setting can enhance your data visualization experience. Let's dive in and see just how simple this process can be. We'll begin with Tableau Desktop. First, open the Tableau public app. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet by accessing it directly from the app. This is your workspace where you can make all necessary adjustments. Next, move to the File menu. This can be found in the top left corner of the application. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the option labeled Workbook Locale. Select this option to proceed. At this point, you'll see a variety of languages available. Don't worry if you don't immediately find the one you need. Simply click More and a broader range will be displayed for you to choose from. Once you've identified your preferred language, select it and then click OK to confirm your changes. If you wish, you can also navigate to the Help menu from the main toolbar and opt for Choose Language. This alternative route will lead you to the same language selection options. Now keep in mind that once you select a new language setting, you'll need to restart Tableau Desktop for the change to take effect. Consider this a quick pause in your workflow to ensure everything syncs correctly. Moving on to Tableau Prep Builder, the process is largely the same. Open your app, follow these steps, and you'll have your desired language setting in no time. For those using Tableau Cloud, start by logging into your account. Click on your profile, which usually appears on the dashboard's upper corner. After that, proceed to My Account Settings. Here, you'll locate a section called Language and Region. Under Language, click on Unspecified. Just like with the desktop version, select your preferred language from the list provided. Once your preferred language is selected, ensure you click Save Changes to confirm your selection. Don't forget to repeat this process under the Locale section. Choose your language and remember to save your changes here as well to apply them appropriately. By following these steps across all Tableau products, you can seamlessly switch between languages as needed, allowing you to work in your most comfortable setting. This flexibility ensures that Tableau remains a versatile and efficient tool for all your data visualization needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped streamline your Tableau experience.